Next to the amphitheater is the egg splash. They sell food here also. Let's go and take a look. Cool, yeah. Snacks. Ice cream. Some splash. Wow. Very fun. Okay, inside is a aircon souvenir shop again. You want to buy some eggs home? Cute. Oh, chickies. Wow, swimsuit. Wow. Look like egg. What food do they sell here? Finger food. Egg splash. Cafe and shop. Yay, egg splash. At the Central Park shuttle bus too, they have this canopy. You can climb in and just around inside. Called Treetop Play. Yeah, very hot, very hot. Treetop Play. Okay, let's go to the Heart of Africa, then after that Wing of Asia. Complete all the section.